to Chitkara University to talk about One Health. So right now we try to tackle this important problem and to take it forward. And we hope that after this important workshop, the students would be more aware of it.
I visited the campus. It's a very nice campus and large number of students, and it has given me the opportunity to interact with the students whom I find that they are very active and also took part in the discussion in this international workshop.